Okay, example 38. Express 4 sine 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta in the form of r sine 2 theta minus alpha. Okay, where r is positive and alpha is an acute angle. Okay, that's it. This first part of the question. And the second part of the question, hence solve the equation 4 sine 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta equals to 3 for theta between 0 and 360. Alright, so first part of the question is to change from this form, which is 4 sine 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta equal, okay, to be in the form of r sine 2 theta minus alpha. Alright, so this question might be different with the previous example because here this is 2 theta, but we didn't care about that. Okay, because angle can be anything, so it can be theta, it can be 2 theta, 3 theta, or any angle, but the step is still the same. Alright, so the second step, when we equate, after we equate, we expand. Okay, the right hand side here, we're using the compound angle identity. So this is sine a minus b, okay, equivalent with sine a minus b. So when we expand, we get this is r sine 2 theta cos alpha minus r cos 2 theta sine alpha. Okay, and this is equals to the left hand side. And then we compare. So to compare, okay, here is the term that has 2 sine 2 theta, and here is the term that has sine 2 theta. So that's mean 4 is equals to r cos alpha. So we get the first equation, which is r cos alpha is equals to 4. Okay, first equation. And then we compare, okay, this term, which is cos 2 theta, and this is term that has cos 2 theta. So that's mean 3 is equals to r sine alpha. Okay, so we get r sine alpha is equals to 3. So this is second equation. Alright, so next we find r and alpha. So to find r, we can use formula. R is equals to square root of a squared plus b squared. What is a and b? So this is a and this is b. So we get square root 4 squared plus 3 squared, and this is 5. Okay, so r is equals to 5. And next we can find, I need more space here. And then we can find alpha. So to find alpha, we take the equation that is sine, so sine alpha equals to 3 divided with the equation that is cos. So we divide sine over cos. Okay, cos is 4. Alright, so we can eliminate r, and sine over cos is tangent alpha. So tangent alpha is equals to 3 over 4. So alpha is equals to arctangent 3 over 4. So arctangent 3 over 4 is 36.87 degree. Alright, so we already have r, and also we already get alpha. So we can substitute to the original question, which is 4 sine 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta equals to, okay, r sine 2 theta minus alpha. So r is equals to 5. Okay, sine 2 theta minus alpha, and alpha is 36.87 degree. Alright, so we finish with the first part of the question. Alright, second part of the question, hence solve the equation 4 sine 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta equals to 3. Okay, so to solve this, okay, I write down the equation first. 4 sine 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta equals to 3. And we know that 4 sine 2 theta plus 3 cos 2 theta is equals to 5 sine theta, 5 sine 2 theta minus 36.83. So we can substitute that here. So this is 5 sine 2 theta minus 36.87 is equals to 3. Alright, so this is a single form. So if we divide both sides by 5, so we get sine 2 theta minus 36.87 is equals to 3 over 5. So this is a single form. So we can solve as a single equation. Alright, so to solve single, first we find the basic angle alpha. So alpha is arcsine of 3 over 5. So this is 53, sorry, this is 53.13. Okay, this is alpha, and we find, okay, the solution for 2 theta minus 36.87. Alright, so we determine the quadrant. Which quadrant? So all set teacher cubed. Okay, so this is sign that are positive. So sign positive, so sign positive is in first and second quadrant. So that's mean 2 theta minus 36.87 is in the first and second quadrant. In first quadrant, that is alpha itself, which is 53.13, and in second quadrant, that is 180 minus alpha, which is 53.13. So 53.13, and another one is 126.87. Alright, so if we take a look at our angle here, okay, we deal with 2 theta minus 36.87. Okay, so originally theta is in between 0 and 360. So when 2 theta, that's mean it twice of that, and then is 2 rotation 120, and also minus 36.87. so that's mean minus both sides, so 2 theta, sorry, so that's mean 2 theta is in between negative 36.87 and 600 something. Alright, so that's mean is in 2 rotation. Alright, so that's mean we already have the answer for the first rotation, so we need to find the answer for the second rotation. So for second rotation, we just add these two answer by 360. So that's mean for the second rotation, we have 53.13 plus 360. Another one is 126.87 plus 360. Okay, so we should get 4 answer. The first one is 53.13, 126.87. Okay, and then this is 53.13 plus 360 is 4. Okay, and another two answer is 413.13 and 486.87. Right, so this is 2 theta minus 36.87. So to find theta, we need to plus, okay, we need to add for each answer here by 36.87 and then divided by 2. So we will get, okay, theta is equals to 45 degree, 81.86 degree, 225 degree, and 261.86 degree. Alright, so that is the answer.